Welcome to Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. Thank you so much. Eitada. This is Ngobo 20 Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Polokwane City 0. Put.
Ngobo mnganami.
Grand Prix.
Hayi kuyaphileka.
Sharp man. Firstly, kato supporter elibiqembu namhlanje.
Namhlanje it was our last day with GNU. Besilana for the last day with GNU.
Yeah.
Sizobonga amasandawana. They've been with us with GNU. Umshado uyaphela Wednesday. Umshado uyaphela Wednesday because of nathi sinenkinga esibhekene nazo. Sibhekene namaZulu asemuva kwethu. So ukumaintain iGNU silenkinga ayizosebenzela leyo. But what a game of football that was displayed by Mamelodi Sundowns. I will always tell ukuthi Sundowns doesn't play an interesting football, but Sundowns play a productive football. Ibhola labo interest ungalala nokulala stadium, to be honest. But ibhola labo li technical too much. So somehow ulifuna wena ube ne football ideology eku top class ukuze ba understand. Even amafans wakhona they can never understand their own football. But somehow we need to give credit where it's due. This is kind of football that is now played internationally. So the game is the football that is played at Sundowns has changed. I've heard Mamelodi Sundowns calling it helicopter football, all kinds of football. But I think now everything Gadoso that he was trying to build with Mamelodi Sundowns is starting to make sense. The football he introduced to Mamelodi Sundowns is the football that has now took them to ECAF Champions League. Is the football that is now making them to be part of this special thing. So they gave Ukatoso so many doubts, Magafika. What kind of football is this? We want piano and shoeshine. But credit must be given where it's due. How Ukatoso shifted the piano and shoeshine to this current football. This football currently they are playing, it can compete anywhere in the world. But that piano and shoeshine was restricted somewhere. It wasn't like the football that you can play it anywhere. It was just for South African football. So to me, credit in the football I introduced to Mamelodi Sundowns. But fortunately enough, with quality players anazo, they were able to adjust to that football.
One thing we must understand, and very understand, it's very simple. We fight for 90 minutes, after that we don't fight anymore. I want to appreciate this guy for the fact that he showed a talent in the Orlando Pirates team by making sure that we contribute to buy a drum for our guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. And for that fact, that when now you saw it a need for you to do that thing, it's appreciable. Number two, it's very simple. We are saying to Orlando Pirates fans, all the male Orlando Pirates fans, from this day onwards, no more sex until further notice.
Are you a Pirates fan?
I'm a Pirates fan. Sex suspended until further notice. We are here on Wednesday. We will be here on Suwalele until further notice. We will mean until the end of the day. We are not scared of Sundowns. We are not scared of anyone else. We will be here on Wednesday to support Kaizer Chiefs. We will be here when Sundowns plays. We will be here until the last game. We are Orlando Pirates fans. Big brother. It's a league.